You'd be quite surprised the amount of cold air constantly is coming through your door keyhole. These are keyhole lock covers which helps keeps the cold draft out. On this particular lock cover design there is a hinge which is quite useful. It comes with a self-adhesive tape. So just align and stick on the lock cover. Make sure you plug in the cover first at the bottom from the keyhole, then stick it on so it sits on firmly for the hinge to work properly. They do come in different colours to match your door lock. This is a useful cover to help prevent constant cold air coming through. Stay safe guys, peace.